Okay, so I'd like to share with you what you would do if you have a repeated or recurrent cough. And you can do this even if you're sitting at the computer or you just notice that you've got this cough. So what I'd like you to do is just notice this part of your body, just underneath the shoulder. Put your finger kind of just to the rim of the shoulder blade, and then where the palm is. Lift the palm and place the palm kind of like this, not too deep, but quite shallow, like that. And then you place your hand here and you can kind of hear an echo. And then you do the very same at the other side. So place the fingertips there and cup the palm. So these 2 points here, I'll remove my scarf a bit. So these 2 points here are like secondary windows of lungs in the Qigong perspective. So you just echo, pat, and send healing energy, send light, just in this moment. And then just finish off by cupping down the hands, under the arms, and down the front. Okay, that's what you can do with a little cough. Happy Qi!